So video idea for this came randomly. Right now I'm walking on Awas Beach. So recently, couple of days back, I turned 20. So earlier, when I was a child, my family members used to wish me by calling me. But now, in this time, they had only put in the WhatsApp status. They didn't even wish me like personally as a text, or nor they called me. It's a major difference because they wished me happy birthday only for the presents they could show to their other relatives, friends, that oh, it's my birthday, but they didn't even wish me. Like, I mean, of course it's their choice, but like, what the f? Like, excuse me. I mean, is that very much fucked up our generation has got, that we only give a fuck about, oh, that we only give a fuck about the social acceptance, oh, that we need to wish her. I mean, like many times there is no any script regarding this video, but yeah, it's just me opening up my mind. Like many a times it also happened with me that I haven't read the book. I have posted about it on Instagram stories. It's just about the sign that I have read the book. Many a times that it has happened. I have purchased just the book and I have put in it. Like, I want to show off that which books I have like constantly urge. Like right now I'm not even in my reading phase. I have procrastinated so much like this year. Even in 3 days, it was my plan to read 2 books a day. And I haven't achieved it. That's why you are not even getting book review videos. But yeah, the the core theme of this video is about our social acceptance that we have, acceptance or social perception that we have created, that we need to post certain things for the people to like. Yeah, right now also it's a great internet is amazing place. Like, you found me over here, I have found many creators who create amazing content, but what is going on in the local people's life? What is happening over there? Like, what is the perception about how these creators are, and how is that creating it? Like, it's just a hunger. Like, there used to be a time when we used to be hungry for attention from the people we love, people we want to be loved by. Like, for example, our romantic partner, we want to be loved, but not now. In today's age and time, we want to post them soft launch, hard launch on our internet surface. I mean, like, yeah, we care more now, especially my generation. I see my friends things and stories and stuff. They are busy focusing on how to they soft launch them on Instagram, or how to hard launch them on Instagram, rather than or working on their relationship, how their Instagram, Pinterest replicate they can create. Yeah, I don't see anything bad to keep your vision board, but only for it to come true, you do some stupid stuff. Like, I'm not in that sector. So I feel it's a time and age that we should stop craving for attention from invisible audience that we have. I'm especially talking it, creators are already facing it, like how it is affecting them, the likes and shares that they are vocal about it, but no one is vocal about how it is affecting the normal people also, that they are craving for attention and digital attention than we seeking a human connection nowadays. During childhood, we used to think what stupidity it is that Doraemon is like Nobita is talking bullshit to Doraemon about his problems and stuff. But now we are in that age that we are talking to a AI machine about our problems and expect it to solve. There are many cases that AI has recommended them to do suicide and stuff, which has led to many bizarre cases. Like, who is even going to take responsibility of it? While the government, and mind you, government is the slowest vehicle that is running. So I would, only thing I would suggest is being more conscious about your decisions, about your what is happening in your surrounding, because every action we take, it is going to have a positive or a negative impact. There is no such thing as neutral in life. I 101% believe. I'm sitting on this beach creating a video. It is creating positive impact because it is creating a action thing to me to promote on my channel. It's been a year. It's been a more than a year now that I'm barely receiving any views and stuff. But still, I'm creating because I want to be in creation mode. But yeah, that's it. I hope you got my point. I don't know how much in good way I have presented my point, but yeah, that's my opinion. That we need to crave more human relationship more than seeking attention from the digital environment. Start having more conversations in your own friends group and family group. Right now, I feel in today's time, fastest way to embarrass someone is to check their screen time. Like, I kid you not, I really check how my friends screen time is, how much they spend on each particular app. They genuinely feel embarrassed, and I'm okay with it. Let them feel. I'm doing it for the good thing for them, making them aware, like what the fuck is happening. You know, screen time is accepted when it is used for work, but only for doom scroll. And while you can say that, many friends tell me that I don't have any time to read a book, but the screen time on Instagram scrolling is fucking 6 hours. Like, come on, baby girl. Like, yeah. So yeah, the only theme for my entire only motto for this is start gaining attention, dopamine from your relationships, human relationship. Invest in them. Humans are social animals, not a machine, right? So yeah, that's the point of my video. Thank you. I love you. Keep reading books, keep subscribing, and keep watching my content. Love you.